What's up, Calgary? Today we are trying the city's alleged spiciest Nashville hot chicken from Flirty Bird, and we're going in a deep dive here. We got most of the items available on their menu.
We got the sando, chicken tenders, no-flirt, mild, hot, and then scorching hot. And then we just got some fries to supplement us.
I'm gonna start with a fry, dude.
Yeah,
Because it's always what I kind of start off with. It's like a basic kind of like seasoning salt kind of vibe. Obviously we took this out so it's not as crispy, but they made everything fresh to order. There was nothing pre-made. Everything was being fried right when we got there.
And nothing was sitting around.
Not really, not really crispy anymore. Right?
It's alright.
I could imagine these being really good when they're fresh. A little zoomy here on this fry. So
Nice and crinkly.
not a whole lot of seasoning on this piece, but yeah, like a little floppy, you know what I'm saying?
I like the comeback sauce, it's not bad.
Right, so the comeback sauce is their signature sauce. Alright, so should we go with sando first?
Yeah, let's do sando first.
It has some pickles, some fried chicken, some coleslaw. We got medium heat just so we can get a good representation of like...
Yeah, we don't want to die.
of like the flavor, right?
Chicken's not bad, it's pretty tender, not too dry.
I feel like it's tender. It's juicy without being wet, right? Like when you bite into it, it's not like squirting out juices all over the plate. Mostly on the plate we got is like, the coleslaw, which I think adds a really good element to it. Like even at medium spicy, if you're into spicy, it's like spicy enough.
Yeah.
At medium.
Yeah, you're not dying.
So I'm kind of scared for
Get little
scorching.
tingles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the pickles work great. The comeback sauce is like really, really good. I'm enjoying this sandwich. I think this plus some fries, super legit combo to get.
Oh yeah. I just put the MPs. Very tasty. For all you guys out there, like the comeback sauce is literally just ketchup, mayo, and some spices, right? That's what Kareem said.
Yeah, some secret spices. It's not like super spicy, but it is flavorful. Yeah. Adds a lot to the sandwich. This is like a well-rounded sandwich for me. And it is actually spicy. Like,
Has some heat to it.
I'd say like you and I can handle our spice.
Yeah.
But this is legitimately spicy.
So for me, it's not too bad. It's kind of my day-to-day. Gotta put another notch for sure, but... You get the heat and the tingles and the spices, and it's very flavorful. Well-rounded, like you said, with all the veggies and whatnot.
Yeah.
And the pickles are bomb.
And consider, like, we're Vietnamese, so we can eat really spicy.
Yes,
Like, I think for the average person, this is super hot.
Because also, mind you guys, when you guys eating spicy, it builds.
Right.
So maybe for the regular person who's not eating spicy so much, this might be too much. But it's alright, right?
I'd say this is like my perfect spice level.
Yeah.
Like, if I was eating this to enjoy it and actually get full, this is as spicy as I'd probably get it at medium. I think I'm ready to tackle these tendies. How about you, bro?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna start here in the no-flirt zone. Completely mild, he said suitable for kids and people who don't like spice. I'm gonna cut up a couple pieces here. And, it's interesting, right? Like, you see a piece like this, like all of the breading has fallen off of it. Here's just the straight up batter. I guess I'll just try that. Cheers. I'd say it's pretty bland. I think this for sure, like, you're gonna need
Some sauces.
some sauce. So we're gonna try it with the comeback sauce.
Yeah. I think Nick hit it on the nose there. Pretty bland. Not a lot to go. Well, it's kind of deceiving because you look at the tendy itself, it looks like it's hella spiced.
It really does. Like, it looks flavor packed. Like, he put a lot of seasoning on it. And yeah, that's a toothpick. Which flavor it is. It has seasoning on it. Maybe it's just our palate though, right? Like, we're used to more spicy kind of things, but like, that's not spicy at all. I would for sure, like, yeah, a kid could probably eat that,
Yeah. Mild? It's mild.
This is mild, so this is like a little bit of spice. It's This one doesn't really have a lot of powder on it, so let's just give you a different one here. But yeah, like see how much this is like coming off? Like the breading comes off a lot, which is like, I'm not a huge fan.
Yeah, you want to see it stick on.
I would like, but like honestly, who's eating chicken tenders with a fork and knife? Cutting it up like that, you know? So, take that with a grain of salt. All right, here we are, mild.
Yeah, mild.
Cheers.
A bit more season, more flavor, a little more salt.
I'd say for me, it's like nearly identical. If we didn't have these toothpicks in there, I wouldn't know which one is which.
Yeah.
Move this toothpick surgically.
Those surgeon hands.
Right, there you go. This has...
Oh, thank you, sir.
So this is hot now. We're getting to hot territory. So this is actually above what the sando was.
Yeah.
So that's like a close-up of this hot chicken tender.
It's really like red and just looks encrusted with spice. Oh.
And the batter's coming off again.
Oh, I got all batter.
I kind of like an all batter bite sometimes.
Oh yeah? It was pretty bomb.
Alright.
That all batter bite was bomb.
Oh yeah.
You eat a couple of these. Woo!
It's hot, bro.
Shout out to Kareem, who's helping us. He's saying, "Are you sure you want to do this?"
One's hot and then one's scorching.
Oh, sure. We're like, and now I'm not so sure.
I'm gonna try my best.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm gonna try my best to describe this flavor. I feel like it's very peppery. It's
Lot of
like a
spices.
peppery hotness. Spice builder. For sure. I can feel my nose running, starting to sweat.
It's a huge kick in the butt for sure. Holy crap.
Like it's almost like a black pepper kind of spice, right? But just like turned all the way up to 10. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I'm trying to just because I really want to describe the flavor for you guys, you know? People are saying like, oh, it's spicy, but what does the spice taste like? But it is so spicy, it's almost hard to even taste.
Yeah. My tongue is burning right now.
I'm gonna take another bite of the pure kind of breading just to kind of get an idea of its flavors. But it is extremely spicy. For somebody that's like, that eats spice.
For someone, I eat like literally every day, at least a Thai chili pepper. It's pretty painful.
I'm crying, bro. I got a single tear. Alright. This is for you. This is for you, Calgary. Alright? This is it.
We suffer for you.
Summer for you, only for you.
He did say it was a blend of spices, so, but
Yeah, it tastes. As far as flavors go, I'd say it's really similar to the medium, right? Where the medium had like tones of sweetness,
Yeah.
some saltiness, and some spiciness, which is like a really well-rounded spice to the sandwich. This one takes the heat and turns it up to like 9 or 10. I don't even know what this is gonna be. Like this scorching hot, I'm really scared. But really black peppery. If you're brave, try it. Hot is already like a challenge to me.
yeah. Hot's definitely a challenge. Don't think, like, if you finish a whole one, you're gonna be dying.
Yeah, like we had like literally 2 bites of it. All right,
We moving on already?
I'm gonna have a little bit of fry.
I think some pickles will help.
And I think the comeback sauce is designed for you to recover. All right. All right, let's go.
All right, Calgary. Last but not least.
Here you go, sir. That's a scorching hot.
Do I want to do this?
The alleged spiciest chicken. Honestly, my stomach is on fire.
This is the first thing we've eaten all day, right? Fasted, eating spicy food.
That's 3 burps. I don't know if that's the heat or the beer.
I'm gonna dive in first.
Go, please.
Looks very spiced up, guys. A lot of seasoning on there. It's really red. Red like fire. I'm eating fire.
Holy fuck. Shit.
I'm trying to savor this, but I don't think I should be savoring this.
Well, try to describe it. Does it taste any different, or is it just too spicy to have any flavor?
To me, it's more tangy.
Mm.
Slightly more tangy. There's like a little pungent taste to it. Like.
I'm genuinely scared to eat this.
You'll be okay. You handle this. You'll be able to handle this. I do like the flavor of this one.
Yeah. Do you like it better than the hot?
I don't know. I think the hot kind of set me up for it.
Right.
Prepared me for what was to come.
All right.
You got this, bro.
We're gonna eat another piece.
I just want to try like. Everything's all broken up.
All right, we're going in.
Oh yeah. It's building now.
I don't know how anyone can eat a full tender of it.
No. I don't know who's ordering this shit, bro. There's us.
Scorching hot.
Scorching hot. My mouth is on fire.
It's too hot.
You think it's a huge jump from the last one? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Okay. Cut. Okay, I feel it now. Don't listen to me earlier. Holy fuck.
This is really, really hot. Honestly, it's to the point. Oh my god. It's to the point where you can't taste it. There's no flavor.
I was too confident.
No, it's way too hot. It's way too hot. Fuck! Oh my god!
Why did I take that second bite?
I'm crying. I'm crying.
You okay? It's a wave. It's a wave. Definitely hottest in Calgary.
Hottest I've ever had.
Holy fuck.
It's the hottest chicken I've ever had. I don't even know what to say about it. I can't even talk about it.
It takes you to another dimension, really. Your mouth is numb. Your tongue is on fire. You're in so much pain. All you want to do is jump into the Arctic Ocean with your mouth first.
Oh my god.
See the sweat? You okay now?
Oh,
It's
man.
over. It's over.
We've both eaten the bomb hot sauce.
Yeah.
How would you compare?
It's pretty fucking similar, I think. It's out there.
But it's hotter.
This is hotter?
I think this is hotter than the bomb.
I think it all really depends. Like, when you take the bomb sauce, are you doing a dab? Or are you dousing the whole wing? This is like, obviously it's the entire thing, you're taking a huge bite, so. Yeah. Honestly, once, like you said, once it gets to a certain point, it's hard to tell. You're just dying.
What are your overall thoughts about Flirty Bird, from the sando to the fries to the tendies?
Yeah. I think the sando was probably the best part. It was delicious. It was a nice combination of things. If you wanted to try, you know, their coleslaw, their pickles, their comeback sauce, all in one bite, delicious. The tendies, obviously, it's if you're adventurous, like, you know, us today. If you wanna, you know, if you're just craving a chicken tendy, some comfort, and some juicy chicken tenders, I don't know if I recommend the Scorchin hot. I'm sorry, Flirty Bird.
Yeah, you know, to be fair, like Kareem, the person who was working there at the time, he said, he was like, "Are you sure?" He really kind of like encouraged us not to order it, but because we were doing it for the video, because we were trying to test if they really had the hottest chicken in Calgary, he obliged us. And honestly, overall, like, yeah, I'd say the sando was my favorite part. The flavor's really unique. I'd probably stick with medium spice level, even if you like spicy.
Yeah.
Even if you like spicy, man, stick with medium. It's still spicy enough. You'll enjoy it. You'll have a good time. Scorching, I would not wish upon my worst enemy.
Unless you're feeling really brave.
Yeah.
You're feeling courageous, I commend you.
And you know, if you guys know a hotter, spicy Nashville hot chicken than this, let us know. Maybe me and John will eat it.
We'll test it out.
Alright, man. Well, other than that, I'm gonna wipe my tears and tune in for the next time. Peace out, Calgary.
Peace out.